The proper restoration of estate jewelry can prolong the life of treasured family heirlooms or vintage jewelry finds, giving them continued years of enjoyment. Whether it's replacing a broken prong on an engagement ring, polishing a vintage gold bracelet, matching a small diamond missing from your favorite pair of earrings, or full restoration of a right-hand ring, including the repolishing of a gemstone to remove years of nicks and scratches, we understand jewelry craftsmanship and are able to explain all of the options should a jewelry repair be needed.